Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today we're going to be checking out the SanDisk Extreme Pro SDXC UHS-1 V30 SD card. That was one breath. This can do 95 megs a second read and about 90 megs a second write. We're going to be doing a test on these cards and see if SanDisk says what it says it could do. And we're going to test that out right now. Okay guys, so now we're going to be doing a simple test. Drive G is the 64 gig Extreme Pro V30, and we're just going to do the traditional test. We're not going to go through all of these. We're going to set it for 4 gig transfer, because typically, well, what I'm going to be using these for is for video files, and the video files should be quite large. So we're going to do a 4 gig test. And the packaging says up to 95 megabytes read and up to 90 megabytes write. So if we're anywhere near that, that'd be great. If we're over it, that it would be even better. So this is using a piece of hardware that I have. It's a USB 3.0, 2.0, and media card reader all in one. That goes in a 5.25 inch bay. And then this one here is a USB 3.0 to media reader, essentially. It's a portable media reader. And we're going to see if the performance is different than the one that I installed. Wow. Okay, well, there is a substantial difference between the two. The internal device that I have is slower than the add-in. Holy crap. That I wasn't expecting, not that much. So it says 95 megabytes a second read, which is correct on the packaging. And it says up to 90 megs a second write, which is close. This is 88.33. I would have to agree with the specs on the box. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.